onye ọbụla gee ntị taa bụ nkwọ ndị Igbo agbakọọla n'ogbe ndị Igbo nke dị n'Igbo village. Onye isi anyị bụ Chidi Ọsịdịanya rịọrọ na nwoke ọbụla na nwaanyị ọbụla ma nwata ma okenye nọ ebe a jisike gbagota ebe a sere mmadụ tuturu na-aga ka onye ọbụla jisike gaa na ebe ndị ọcha na-edenye aha gị n'akwụkwọ maka ịma na ebiri ebe a taa. Biko onye nụrụ ya kara nwanne ya.
Dr. Stephen Uche of Michigan doing the town crier at the Igbo village during the recent Igbo World Festival of Arts and Culture, Frontier Culture Museum, Staunton, Virginia, United States. Still in the Igbo farmers' compound, we now leave the Obi to the Mbuke, which is the main wife's heart, and we're going to demonstrate one of the activities at this very important section of the Igbo village.
My name is Victor Moore Aghadi. I live in Chicago now, and I've been coming here for more than 6 years since the foundation of this compound was laid, and we came to do the mud puddling. We call it Izoto, and built it up, and together with the American community. People came from all parts of the country to be part of this project. So it was inaugurated in September 2010, an elaborate ceremony. I was here. So what am I doing now? It's I'm using the Odo. Some people may say this is Okwa because it's smaller mortar. It's the mortar which is used for grinding. And then the pestle is called Akodo, the hand of the mortar, or Akokwa if it is a smaller one. So you can call this Okwa or Odo depending on how you look at it, whether it's big or small. And this is the beans, the black-eyed pea beans, The lady has removed the black eye and took the outer coating. And now it's being ground up for Akara, which is a delicacy all over Nigeria. She would make them into little balls, right? And then put them in the hot boiling oil. And it comes out as really nice delicacy, Akara. So that's what we're doing.
Hello.